Sumaya. I'm in charge of the admissions and welcome to One Career. In this video, we are going to talk and hopefully address the common issues international students face while changing institution or course. Before we begin, a very important aspect is to have a clear understanding about the primary course. So what is the primary course? The primary course means the highest level course. For example, many international students have package courses such as diploma and a bachelor course. In this case, the bachelor course is the primary course. You need to complete at least 6 months of primary course before you look into changing provider. Now, I will run you through these steps you need to follow. Step 1. You need to get all the right documents and forms from your existing provider to start your release process. Usually, all documents are available at the Student Service Center in your institution. Step 2. While completing the forms, be truthful and honest about the reasons why you are seeking the release. Of course, you must back up the reasons with evidences. Remember, your institution will look for the key factors before your transfer. Some of the factors are whether the transfer aligns with your current study plans and educational background, that the transfer is in your best interest, and you have demonstrated difficulties in your current course. These are the 3 main factors your institution will look into while evaluating your release application. If you are seeking release due to medical reasons, you must submit a valid doctor's certificate to support your reasons. Now, there is a chance that your release might get refused if your institution believes that your reasons are not good enough. Some examples of poor reasons are: you are changing the institution because the fees are lesser, you want more time to work than attending classes, you owe fees to the institution. Remember, this is a very important part. Please make sure you do not owe any fees to the institution. Otherwise, a release application will be refused. The processing time may vary depending on the provider. Now, what will happen when your application gets refused? You can apply for an internal review at your institution. A review will usually be evaluated by the higher management of your institution. They will invite you for a face-to-face meeting and will go over your application once again. If you have a valid reason to support your point, they may approve it. In the unfortunate scenario, they refuse your review, you will have an opportunity to appeal it to the state ombudsman. Now, this part is pretty intense as they are going to work with you and the institution to find a resolution. Remember, the ombudsman is very much by the book and they don't sort of negotiate too much if you have not followed the rules or process correctly. Once you have decided to change your provider, we will assist you to find the most affordable universities or institutions. We will ensure you get maximum credit transfer for the units you have completed in your previous provider. Also, we will help you to get the letter of offer and COE from your desired provider in no time. Through our services, we will provide you with the seamless transition for the continuation of your studies in Australia. I hope you find this video helpful and thank you for watching.